What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Z-Tech Media. In this video I've got a yellow color plastic case for a MacBook Pro 2013 along with its rubber keyboard. So in this video we'll see how well the product fits on our MacBook Pro, so stay tuned. Right guys, so let's get started. I'll take this rubber keyboard out first of all, put it over here. Right, let's place the bottom shell in first. Okay, this one clips in nicely. Perfect. So you can hear this click sound when it settles in. Okay. Right, let's put this in. So you just push it in from either end first, from the top or the bottom, and then you go to the other end and make sure you hear this click sound. So it fits properly. Right, time for the keyboard. Perfect. So the case fits really well. The only issue I would like to highlight is that when you put the rubber keyboard in and shut the screen, you can feel the rubber going against the screen. There is a little bit of a space as you close the lid, but if you take this rubber keyboard out, you'll see there is no play in the laptop and it shuts really well. So at the end, it's totally your choice if you want to use the rubber keyboard or not. That's totally up to you, but not a bad product. I would definitely give it a positive review. That's it for this video guys. It was a short one, but I hope it was useful, and as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.